Just doesn't make any sense. It's not an overpowering smell, but it's a faint mint smell. You can definitely tell it's there. Now back in the microwave for 30 seconds on high.
Whoa, what? The dual left turn. And he goes straight.
I started off by tasting the eggs, and they had a really good texture to them.
A bunch of savages in this town.
Saturday. I'm quitting, I told Mike at lunchtime. School was boring, and now I did not even have my Saturdays to look forward to. But it was the 30 cents that really got to me. This time, Mike smiled. What are you laughing at? I asked with anger and frustration.
There we go. Really? You couldn't move 5 feet to your left?
A week. I don't have this time to go up there and wait 25 minutes for your employee who doesn't know what he's doing.
Utah!
And that he said that my attitude is too much.
Utah again! I've been impatient, aren't we? In Utah.
No, that's a new bad.
As some of these countries deal with, it's hard to prosper when there's no orderly transition of power. When the transition of power means you have to kill the entire ruling family and slaughter half the army in order to transition power. Every time
signs
we do it,
for the past mile and a half saying that lane ends.
The result of that is extreme poverty.
On the low end, I'm estimating for about 15,000 that I would potentially have available to me. I just wanted to know what to do.
Oh, that truck up there, Dollar General, which means it's a Warner truck. What a surprise!
Probably what we would.
I haven't read a hockey news in years, like at least over 10 years.
Brian Costello, senior editor. Jason
Internet
editor-in-chief. Brian Kennedy, associate senior
that's an
writer.
Acura.
Market, associate senior writer. And Sam McCaig, senior features editor, and for Sam McCaig. And I'm an optimist. I think they're going to make it to round 2 this coming season. So, again, it's up to Vegas, up to you guys to prove us wrong. Bounce back. Dallas.
I just love that there's a line for the people that go over the Bulmos.
The take Dallas or Brian Costello or Brian Kennedy.
Gotta love the city.
As well. I think with the addition, there's a number of really good number 1 draft picks. Now, in the playoffs, well, we're not going to talk about Washington again for a couple of minutes. In the playoffs, in the quarterfinals,
how's that guy doing?
Went 4 straight.
Over the gore point for
the New York Rangers beat
some
Montreal
reason.
6. So Montreal's out, Toronto's out.
Before I get into it, but people can make a lot of money flipping. So don't get the wrong idea that like I'm not for flipping or that I disagree with it, because some people can be very successful and make a ton of money by flipping properties. So it's a great business
guys
to
don't
be
read
in,
the
and
signs.
there's absolutely nothing wrong.
Because she rationalized that if the car alarm went off while she was at the property, what's to say it's not going to be one of those car alarms that just goes off all the time? Now, we all have those car alarms that just seem to keep
in a
going
Mercedes.
off
You don't deserve it.
But that...
Holy shit. What the hell happened there? Wow. That flipped over a bunch of times, probably. Wow. Really? Douchebag. 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 Douchebag! Come on, how many more could there be? Am I not? Go already. That'll be nice. Good job. While on your phone, I could see it as clear as day through your side view. I wonder if the camera can see it too. You realize there's a hands-free law in this state?
2, she's going to be working while she's in college. Number 3, you may have an extra job during this time. While you're paying off a bunch of these other debts, you sure as crap can't not pay your taxes anymore. That was suicidal.
I would have done, because the thing that stuck with me, I don't remember that book, but I always remember Ben and Arthur. I will never forget that, and that always resonated with me, so thank you so much for that.
Powerful, good stuff. Yeah. Well, congratulations. We got a copy of Chris Hogan's book for you, Retire Inspired.
It was free and clear. Why'd you move over here?
$240,000 paid off.
Located to Baton Rouge about 4 years ago.
Perfect. Okay, so you followed us around. Good. Very cool. Well, congratulations.
That Honda up there.
We're very, very proud for you. Well, for $20 with the $50 worth of free bonus items, really good stuff. Check out
motorcycle up the shoulder.
Go to Chris's website at Chris Hogan 360.
Interesting because they're above 500 and they missed the playoffs, while Toronto and Chicago are below 500 and they make the playoffs.
What?
Despite division, Vancouver 38, 32, and 10.
Wait, what the hell is that van doing?
5 minutes later.
What? Don't tell me you wanted this turn. You gotta be better at following your GPS than that. Oh, there's one.
Intelligent and educated we are. And I personally find this hilarious because I am a high school graduate with 2 years of art school, which I dropped out of. Okay? That's it. That's the extent of my formal education. So why is it that an undereducated guy like things that would be evidence that it was wrong? Any claim that could not be falsified would be devoid of any propositional content. That is, it would not be making a factual assertion. It would instead be making...
It's got my name on it and all of that. And I guaranteed you that you were going to get 30% of the take for helping me dig it up. Would you want me to draw
this
a
is a one-way.
to our agreement?
Yes.
That car was going the wrong way up a one-way street.
Because
that last second move over by the Lexus, aka Toyota.
Now the chores are over.
Yeah.
So I think the educational system needs
that
an adjustment.
red truck and
Forget
the
whether or
shoulder.
not you
What
go
the
to
hell
college,
is
because
that?
you can spend more years not in school than in school, even if you do go to college. What you want, I think, are lifelong learners, lifelong curiosity.
Yes.
Where once you are trained,
I don't know how you got there. I gotta re-look
your
at
curiosity is stimulated.
Last second exit. That New York City driver. Or that Long Island driver.
We're continuing to launch new things up there.
And I joke, I say, one of the reasons why we've never visited by aliens is because they came to us. What is all that junk? Oh, crap, we're not risking out. Let's go to another.
And you were going straight anyways.
The map of where everything was. They had to calculate their incoming.
Oh, I thought you were... someone else is nice, but I don't think you have room. And you're still not gonna... Why? Yeah. Hello everyone out there, this is New England Dashcam, and I'm just going to check in at the end of the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to get into a couple updates for you, but first I want to read the comment of the week because I feel like reading it out loud and answering the questions, so it's there. This last week's comment of the week is by Vids by PB, and he asks, are you insinuating that it's wrong to listen to show tunes? Well, the answer to that is, yes I am. It is evil and it must be stopped. But, in all seriousness, that intro to last week's video was just perfect, and I had to put it on there. But anyway, any great comments or questions or whatever, I might read them more in the future. Anyway, a little bit of an update. Since I've came back, which was back in April, and I'm surprised I've been able to do this, with the exception of that one small break that I took because I had no camera. I've been able to put out a video every week, driving compilations like these, and it's something I'm going to have to scale back on, and I figure I will do it only every other week or every 2 weeks, basically. I'm going to do that from now on. So next Saturday, there won't be a driving compilation, but there will be another video up. And there's two reasons. First of all, there's some other video projects that I want to do, and these, bad driving compilations take up a lot of time for me. And second of all is because, these videos take a long time for me, and lately it's been really busy for me, especially with work and home life and all that stuff, and I have a lot of things planned. I just have to scale back on this for a little bit so it'll be less stressful on me. And also another thing coming up soon, I'm going to be on vacation in Florida for a few weeks. So I am going to be bringing my dash cam with me, and as bad as drivers are up here in Connecticut, down in Florida, they are their own special breed of craziness down there, and I cannot wait to capture that and share that with you guys. But with that said, this video will come to a close. Thank you all very much for watching. Please like, favorite, subscribe, and comment. I love comments. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you very much.